Hey bro, welcome back to our channel. Sending a letter in the UK is super simple. Just follow these 7 steps and your mail will be on its way. Let's go. First of all, make sure your item is allowed. Some things like lottery tickets can't be posted. Check the full list online before sending. Pick the right envelope. Different sizes and shapes affect postage costs. You can get envelopes from your local post office. Write the address in the correct order, name first, then house number, street, city, and postcode. If you are unsure, use Google Maps to check. Weigh your letter before heading to the post office. It helps you choose the right postage and avoid overpaying. Pick your postage. First class usually arrives in 1 working day, while second class takes up to 3 days. Need it? Granted. Use special delivery. Place your stamp in the top right corner. Make sure it's flat and easy to scan. Now just pop it in a post box or visit your nearest post office if you need help. And that's it. Your letter is on its way. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.